Ucluelet is on a peninsula of land located on the western edge of Vancouver Island. This community is so gorgeous to look at, and there's some very, very strong voices in this community about the environment.
Everything that we do depends on the ocean. Our livelihoods, our economy, our enjoyment, our culture, our recreation, everything is tied to the health of the coast.
We started looking at things that we can do to make sure that we're doing the best job that we can to protect where we live. We got rid of plastic straws. We eliminated plastic bags from our check stands.
Salad bar containers have been changed out from the plastic containers over to the cardboard containers. Forks, knives, spoons from plastics to wood knives, forks, spoons.
We developed and built a car wash that uses rainwater and recycles water. We don't draw any groundwater at our car wash. Igor is a biodigester that processes waste into burnable fuel. 3.0 will include a boiler that will in turn take all of the waste that we've processed into a dry fuel and convert that into heat, which will be piped into the warehouse and also be used to heat our hot water. We're saving our landfill, we're saving our carbon footprint, and we're changing the path of waste so that it doesn't hit the ocean. Our customers have been extremely supportive with everything that we've done so far. They notice, they comment.
They're congratulating us for actually making changes.
To address complex issues and to create system change, it depends on partnerships. Having a partner like the Ucluelet Co-op has been paramount to our efforts. But of course, it's not just people on the coast, it's people all across Canada, whether you're inland or whether you're on lakes. Every single thing we do every day impacts the health of the oceans as well as our environment on a larger scale.
It's really, really important for the next generation and the people coming out here that they get to see what we see and experience what we experience, because it's absolutely spectacular.